Car leaking water. Possible causes and how to fix it. Have you ever walked up to your car and found there's a weird puddle underneath it? If you're a rookie driver or you've infrequently seen fluid seeping from under your vehicle, the sight can be alarming. In most circumstances, though, the seeping from your car does not signify a significant issue. So, let's learn about the car leaking water. Condensation from the air conditioning system is one of the frequent reasons why a car leaks water. If you've been driving on a warm summer day, this is rather typical and not cause for concern. But there are other reasons why an air conditioner could leak, including clogged drain tubes or evaporator drains. Evaporator core leaks. Defective rubber or plastic seal. If the water cannot escape through a blocked drain or another opening to the outside, it may begin to leak through your floors. Note that you should have the leak in your car checked as soon as possible if it is there. The air conditioning in your automobile could be harmed by a clogged evaporator drain or hose. Condensation in the exhaust. The main cause of water seeping under your automobile when it is off is exhaust condensation. The water puddle will typically be around the exhaust pipe. Unless there is also substantial white smoke, or murky water droplets, coming from the exhaust pipe while the car is operating, it usually isn't a problem. If there is a lot of white smoke, the air-fuel mixture may also be burning coolant. It might also signal a blown head gasket, which is what we'll examine next. A damaged head gasket. You'll see a lot of water droplets escaping from the exhaust pipe along with thick white smoke if you have a burst head gasket. Here's the deal. A head gasket normally prevents coolant or oil leaks by sealing the engine combustion chamber. Therefore, when the gasket blows, coolant could leak in and burn inside the combustion chamber, creating white smoke. You should initially check the leak to make sure it is water and not another fluid if your car is dripping water underneath. If there is water, you should make sure it is not simply condensation from the car's air conditioning system. Identify the leaking substance. Make sure you are working with water before moving forward. If water is the issue, there is probably nothing serious at stake. On the other hand, if you thought the substance was water when it wasn't, the issue might be serious. Because of this, you must carefully consider the fluid's hue. Determine the source of the leak. It's time to determine where the leak is coming from. Once you've determined what is leaking, first, put a sizable piece of cardboard under the vehicle. Once the fluid leaks, you may match the position to the potential source of the leak. For instance, if water is flowing from the front, the problem is probably just a regular air conditioner leak. Condensation may be the cause of this if it is coming from the exhaust. Fix leak. If you discover a malfunction, you must fix it right once to prevent more serious issues. For instance, if you discover that the leak is coming from inside the cabin, you must locate it and correct the issue. Additionally, it's preferable to get the leak fixed quickly if coolant is the cause before the engine overheats. Take your car to a trained expert if you don't feel competent to identify or fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.